Okay, and we are back for part 3. Yeah, so we kind of got model serving almost working. Oh. And so just to recap what we learned in part 1 and 2. So in part 1, we got the GPUs labeled to kind of work, which is great. And we got the server added to our Kubernetes cluster. And most of what that was like some frustration around a mixture of things. Sorry, strap falling off. And what were those things? Right, it wasn't a resource profile. It was like a runtime type that we had to add. And then we also had to edit the NVIDIA config a bunch. And then also I screwed up my driver setup. And so that's why part 1 took so long. Part 2 took a while because the vLLM container from Mistral has been updated to their O.2 style fine-tuned model. And we had fine-tuned on top of the O.1 style model. And so naturally that did not work. But inconveniently, it doesn't produce an error message. It just produced either nothing or gibberish. So that was a little bit frustrating, but that's okay. We found the old container tag because I happened to have it pulled down on my desktop, and we switched to using the old container tag, and that seems to have done the magic, I think, from what I recall. Yeah, so we did a little check here, terminal. There we go. And we can see hey, if I do this curl, it actually posts something. Now, to be clear, this isn't a great necessarily response, but it is something, and it's not gibberish, right? So that's pretty good. Okay. So what's up next is wiring up the front end to talk to our back end. So we are going to do that by I think I have to change the front end code a little bit, because right now it's configured to talk to some very sketchy stuff. And so that's going to be in process denial, and then we're going to go and we're going to find remote health. Yeah, there we go. And so then instead, yeah, this is going to be 80, and so I guess we could keep this as is, and we would just change the backend port and host. Would that work? Would that work? I think the answer is a solid maybe. So let's find out. Okay. So to do that though, it's in my oh, I'm on the wrong list. Okay. So what is our host name? It is vLLM health service totally legit co.service. Okay. And so now I'm going to repopulate the config, and I think I'm going to have to do a rolling restart of our deploy once the config object has been updated. So let me .yaml. Okay. kubectl get deployment -n totally legit co. Okay. And we're going to want to look up Kubernetes rolling restart because I don't remember that. Kubernetes rolling restart deployment. And then web. Does that sound right? That sounds right to me. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay. Deployment. Okay. kubectl get pods. Totally legit code. Let's make sure that these pods are actually doing its thing. It looks like they are, so they're terminating the old ones and starting the new ones. Is that right? No, okay, it's doing it for, okay, yeah, cool. Cool beans, cool beans. That's good. Oh, let's get some tunes going. Alexa, turn on Holden's speakers. Our good friends over at TechnoAxe. TechnoAxe's royalty-free music. Let's go to playlists. What's our vibe here? Until your engine stops. I wonder, that might not be the vibe. Okay, it's not our vibe. Let's see here. Has everything been restarted? No, we're still rebooting the web containers. You know, we should probably increase the number of replicas for the web, but okay. I'm gonna grab insurance denial. Disputes. Hmm. What the fuck? Oh, USPS. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, whatever. Let's go. I gotta. Okay. Sample prep insurance denial letter. Go images. Prep HIV. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I don't know. This is some kind of web image. It would be nice if we had the full letter. But yeah, here we go. Prevented it. Okay, whatever. We can just take the text here and copy it over. And that'll be our test. Okay. Your request for data have been denied as not necessary. Yeah, this decision is based on health plans criteria for Truvada coverage. Okay, cool. That's like some sample text, whatever. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay. So in this case, it would actually be sexual behavior. Yeah. Okay, here we go. My name is $sign your name here. I'm writing regarding Yeah. These both look like very reasonable health insurance appeals, right? So that's cool. Let's make sure that that came from our good friend, CTL logs-n, totally legit code -f. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it talked to our back end as we desired. So log session totally legit. Oh, here we go. Post the okay, right. That's why I thought I needed to update it. It's because the model name, it's not this. If we remember from over here, our model name is something. Where the fuck is our model name? is such garbage sometimes. Oh wait, it'll probably be here. Here we go. This is our model name. Oh, actually, we could do that by updating the environment variable health backend model too, and then we don't have to deploy a new version of the code. That would be faster. So let's go ahead and do that. Once again, that's going to happen off stream, and that's just because I've got like some things in there. And by things, I mean like there's a bunch of config parameters that I have stored together, and I just don't remember which ones are more secret and which ones are less, so it's easier to just edit the config entirely off screen. Cool. Okay, so we're going to redeploy our cluster configuration, which will deploy the new secrets, and then we will go ahead and trigger a restart. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. Oh, right. I'm not paying enough attention. Space Beaver, totally legit co-secrets have been deployed. Okay. So then, oh, no, not that one. There we go. Trigger our restarts. Get the pods in watcher mode, and we can watch them restart. Good. Good. Okay, we've got a new web primary up. Let's look at the pods. That looks like a new set of pods. That's great. Okay. Memory. Okay. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and we're gonna. Oh, I need to make a fav icon, don't I? Okay. So, it only generated 2 appeals this time again. So that's probably not working. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, let's go ahead. We're gonna hit shift reload, and that's probably gonna trigger another. Okay, kubectl get pods -n, totally legit code, kubectl logs -n, totally legit code -f. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Uh, so calling models. Okay, okay. Go ahead and shift reload, and we can see what it does. Okay. Remote Together AI, Palm API, Remote BioGPT. Okay, the Palm API isn't working. BioGPT didn't work. Okay, here we go. Looking up. So, okay. That looks like it's still trying to access the old model name, even though I thought we gave it the new model name. Let's take a look at the code. Health backend model. Health backend model. Let's go here. Health backend model. Okay. Well, so for whatever reason, that didn't work. Let's deploy a new version of the code where we've got like semi-reasonable defaults. Yeah, okay. So to do that, we've got, I think, build.sh, my super sketchy shell script here. And we're going to go 1.2a. Okay, and we're going to increase replicas to 2. Git commit-am, use, okay, cool. So there we go. And then conda and ls, conda and list, conda and activate FHI. Conda use conda activate FHI. There we go. Oh. I guess I haven't deployed from this machine for a while. I guess I normally do it on my laptop. Okay. Let's go here. Why is it not? Confused. That should be in my path because I installed it from requirements, and I've got my conda env active, so it should be, the conda env should be in my path, but also, whatever. Oh, where's my phone? Probably time to scan my Taco Bell rewards. Right here, directly in front of me. Let's go to huzzah! 70 Baja Blast rewards coins, my friends. Very important, because Baja Blast. Gotta get Baja Blasted. Okay, it's getting there. What are we doing? We're building the container. Oh, okay, yeah. We're not going to be able to build the ARM container right now because NV1's offline, I think. Maybe? Is it? It might be offline, yeah. I'll fix it probably on Tuesday when I gotta go down for work. But until then, we're not going to be able to build the ARM containers. That's okay. The temporary hack. We'll just build AMD 64 right now. There we go. Mm. Mm-hmm. Why is this slow? Why is this so slow? I don't know. I know why that's slow. Okay. Oof. When I scan the Mountain Dew Baja Blast, I really want to drink it, but I shouldn't because it's too delicious, and then I'll drink a bunch more, and that'll be not good. Why is this not building? What the fuck? Hmm. Guess we could build? Okay, what about if I just do this for now? Okay. This is the tag we're going to push it to. There we go. Okay. I guess my BuildX is just in a bad state with the remote ARM machine down. You'd think it wouldn't, like, lock on it, but I guess it does. So that's another fun thing that we've discovered. That's okay, though. Okay. This is going to take a hot minute. In fact, actually, why is this so slow? So slow. I'm hungry. Oh, I really just want this to work. Okay. While this is going on, because it's going to take a minute anyways, I'm going to double check the environment variable that I set. Health and model. And we go look over here. It's health backend model. Okay, that is what I set. So let's redeploy this, and then while this is running and doing its kind of slow thing, I guess. I don't know why it's being so slow. Okay, there we go. It's doing its thing. So it's going to take a minute. etcl get pods -n totally legitco etcl delete pod -n totally legitco. And this will just automatically get restarted because we've got the deployments there. Or not restarted, it'll recreate new pods for us. And then we'll figure out why it's being so slow. And that'll be good. That'll be good. Or who knows, we won't figure out why this part's being slow. We'll figure out... We can, or how would I say this? We can try again and see if it does pick up the new environment variable. Because I really want it to, because I don't want to have to wait for this code to deploy. Yeah, no, it's still requesting the old model. Don't know why. Don't know why. So why am I installing Emacs? That's definitely overkill. I don't, whatever. This container might not be the most efficient, but hey, that's okay. We'll give it a few minutes. Because what does it have to do after this? Let's go take a look. Oh, hey. Yeah, Emacs, sure. I mean, I clearly live my life in Emacs for the most part, but one can argue that putting Emacs inside of your web server container is a little bit overkill. But honestly, it's probably there because back when I was first writing it, I wanted to have Emacs inside of the container for some debugging stuff because I just really like Emacs. It's weird that chown is taking so long. That's definitely weird. Yeah, I'm glad it makes sense to you. It's very, very important. Everyone needs Emacs, even if they don't know it yet. I'm not used to chown taking like several minutes. How big is this? That's why. Okay, let's go take a look at our copy command. What do we copy? Actually, no, we just add the flight health insurance directory. So how big is this one? Well, it's only 785 megs. It's not, I mean, it's not tiny, but it's not huge. The challenge shouldn't be taking this long. Hmm. Give it another 30 seconds, I guess. I don't know. Like that, to me, that just makes no sense. For it to be taking this long. Yeah. Let's hope. What the fuck? What, okay, what else did we put in opt app? Oh wait, what? Why is this here? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, the static directory and the pip cache. Huh, that's weird. Let's go take a look inside of d-h 791 megs. Honestly, this is prob. Hmm. Oh, yes. This sounds like some spam. Okay. Let's go to Twitch. How do I block? Come on. Okay, well. Yes. Why the fuck is this taking so long? I hate computers sometimes. Like, why would a chown take wall clock time like this? Okay, well, I mean... we can... Okay, Docker build xls. Okay. Docker build x with m's. That shouldn't, Docker build x ls shouldn't be taking time. Okay. Docker build x. How do I choose my build environment? Use. Okay. Use default dash dash global. There we go. Okay, build x, build. Why is this still taking wall clock time? I'm wondering if it's like not actually the chown and it's just like, because that's the last command. Okay. No, it is actually the chown. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Uh, okay, I guess let's Google chown inside of Docker build slow. Ah, here we go. Um, hmm. Okay, I guess we edit some. Hmm. Random config file. We've got our NVIDIA container runtime that I don't. Okay. Daemon.json. Oh, deprecated. Docker storage drivers. Overlay. Okay. Info. Okay. We've got buildx. We're using overlay 2 though already, so that's not gonna do shit. As it were. Oh, okay. Well, during our adventure of figuring this out, it finished, so that's cool. And we will push our container. Let's go ahead and okay. Git add Docker file. Git init-m. Clean up a bit of the build. Actually, let's get rid of the run ls commands. Those are really not. Clean up a bit of the Docker file. Add my file. Okay. All layers are pushed. DTL apply -f deploy.yaml. Okay. Fantastic, I think. We still have this one that's terminating, so we probably want to wait for it to go away. Although we can, I guess. Let's try it now. Still only did 2. God damn it. Is it still getting our weird, like, v1 chat completions, v1 chat completions. Okay, reload. So it's still probably not. God. Okay. Why is it still... This makes no sense to me. This makes no sense to me. Unless I've got a config that's overriding that? Okay. Solo scripts, playbooks, I guess fight. No? Okay. Oh no, this isn't going to be long. It's going to be cluster setup. Yep, that's my problem. That's my problem right there. Had that hard-coded. Not what I wanted. Okay. Well, such is life, you know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll wait for it to finish deploying. Or more accurately, creating our secret. Longhorn, cacti, longhorn, min.io. Oh, it's not. Is it going to be our secret? Is this a secret? It is. Okay. Okay. Cool. Third time is hopefully the charm on this one. Hopefully this works. Okay. There we go. No, we still only got 2. God fucking damn it. Oh no, it did get something. Except there's also this weird assistant prompt. What the fuck? Um, this is okay. This is some weird thing inside of vLLM default serving layer, I'm assuming. Process denial. Okay. Okay. 2A with 2B. And then okay. Yeah. The fuck? Okay. What the fuck? This is super weird in the VLLM like serving shit. Maybe we shouldn't use VLLM for serving. Um, I'm wondering about that. Like, this is weird, or like, I don't think we should use the. Hmm. Um, yeah. Um, we could try this container instead, I guess. Maybe that would result in less weird shit. I don't know. Uh, I guess you could serve with LangChain too. Yeah. Oh, hey, MJ. Hmm. Yeah. Goddamn. fucking... Serve cube. I guess the other option would be to have this as our... Yeah, I mean, I know some of it. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. The image hasn't been pushed for the new one. I don't love this image, though, I'll be honest with you. So yeah, I really don't. I'm gonna get rid of this. Actually, I don't. Oh, it's too late. 2b becomes 2c, and then build.sh. Yeah, that's a good question. Right now, I am getting a model ready to deploy, or I'm trying to query a model for generating health insurance appeals. The website's built in Django with Python. The model was largely trained with Python. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go take a look at this. Cool. So this is pulling down our model right now. I should probably I should probably add a health check to this, because we see it's shut down the old model already, because the new container is up and running, but it's not actually ready to serve yet because it hasn't downloaded the model. So that's an opportunity for improvement with our cube config. Yeah. Why is... So, I mean, the why would be most likely that, like, how would I say this? It's just like not, I don't have a health check configured. So, I guess we could do that now. Let's do that now. Why not? Oh, fuck. Damn it. I closed Emacs by mistake. Okay. Oh, cool. Actually, and we can see here which... Cool. So using the RTX 4090. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. Oh. So that didn't work. Okay. Installation. Okay, let's go. vLLM command line arguments. No, vLLM command line arguments GPU percentage. I guess we could go GPU memory utilization. 4.9. Yeah, ChatGPT probably isn't going to know vLLM yet, just based on when it was trained. But we could ask ChatGPT for the health check to a kid pod. So we would go here. Okay. List models, vLLM. V1 models, and then port is going to be HTTP, and then initial delay seconds probably going to be able to do the same thing with the readiness probe. Okay, yeah. CTL I-F, whatever it is, serve underscore cube. Okay, initial delay seconds. Is that not what it is? Oh, unknown field, initial delay seconds, and period seconds. Okay. Liveness probe here. Fantastic. Okay. Up a level. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, thanks, Chancer. Appreciate it. Okay. Cool. Oh, take a minute. Oh, fuck, it's 7 o'clock. Okay. Sorry we didn't manage to succeed. Wiring up the front end. What are we going to call this? Wiring up the front end. 1 of 2. Or 1 of question mark. So I'm going to go and make dinner. I'm hungry. Thanks everyone for joining. Chancer, thanks for the suggestion. Thanks everyone for chatting. Really appreciate it. I'm hungry though. Okay, I'll see you all later. And we'll come back and hopefully have another quick stream. Yeah, most likely tomorrow morning. Around, I'm gonna say like probably 9 a.m. Pacific. Is sort of my plan. That's the plan. So thanks everyone for hanging out. Appreciate it. And I'll be back later. Yeah. Bye. Bye, boss.